The flag of the Cook Islands features a blue field with a white canton bearing the Union Jack and a circle of 15 white stars representing the 15 islands of the nation. Adopted in 1979, the flag symbolizes the Cook Islands' self-governance in free association with New Zealand. The Union Jack in the canton signifies the connection to New Zealand and the Commonwealth. The 15 stars not only represent the islands but also symbolize unity and the spirit of the Cook Islands people. The blue color of the flag represents the vast ocean that surrounds the islands, highlighting their maritime heritage.